My name is Noah, and this is a video currently of Sam running the Lucas 1030 Sawmill. I met Sam at this community collective where I'm currently building my tiny house. And one day he walks by and he goes, "Hey Noah, I'm thinking of buying a sawmill, but it's really expensive." And I go, "That's awesome. I've also thought of buying a sawmill at some point." And I said, "Well, let me know. I might be interested." And he goes, "Well, I thought about it, but I think it might get a little too complicated if we have more than one owner." So he walks away, and 2 hours later he texts me and he says, "Noah, how serious were you about this?" And I go, "Pretty serious." And he goes, "Great." And then 2 weeks later, we were in California picking up the sawmill, and a couple weeks later, I had already milled all the lumber for my tiny house, and it's a great tool. Really lucky to have it and be a part owner with these two other dudes, and looking forward to bigger and better things.